Welcome to Wanbo SMT production process. In this video, we will guide you through the automated workflow from PCB loading to the finished boards, highlighting our precision, efficiency, and quality control. The SMT process begins with the PCB loader, which automatically feeds the boards onto the assembly lines, ensuring consistent positioning for all following steps. Next, the ACE solder paste printer accurately applies solder paste onto each PCB pad. Its high printing precision ensures uniform solder volume, forming a reliable foundation for mounting and reflow soldering. We use two placement machines, the Siemens S27 for small components and the Siemens F5 for larger ones. This is the Siemens S27. It delivers 9 placement accuracy and handles O2, O1, and O-flow O2 components at speeds up to 26,500 cph with its 12 nozzle head. It provides high efficiency and stable precision for medium volume, flexible SMT production. Next is our Siemens F5, which is responsible for placing larger or irregular components. The machine features a powerful optical alignment system and supports PCB sizes ranging from 50mm to 460mm, ensuring reliable placement in flexible production. The PCB then enters the reflow oven. Hello 1707EXL uses precise temperature control to melt and solidify the solder paste, forming strong and reliable connections between components and the PCB, ensuring stable electrical performance. After soldering, the AI system inspects the PCB for missing parts, misalignment, or solder defects, ensuring high product yield and minimizing rework. For tiny components or special solder joints, technicians perform microscopic manual inspection to ensure every detail meets high-quality standards. Finally, qualified PCBs enter the finished area, ready for assembly and testing to ensure overall system reliability. Thank you for watching our SMT production overview. With advanced automation, precise processes, and strict quality control, every PCBA is reliable and high quality. We look forward to bringing efficiency and dependability to your projects.